So how do you enable Facebook Marketplace on your Android phone? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. Well, you need to have the Facebook app installed, of course, but you can get inside like this and just, start browsing the platform, right? The point is that you can just browse the app normally, and it's probable that you will come across the Facebook Marketplace. Like you go to your, profile and you might see it somewhere in here and so on, but that is not guaranteed. So if you don't find it around the platform, just go to the three lines for more options and click on the settings to get inside the settings, and you want to find the tab bar. And the tab bar is essentially the row of buttons at the bottom of the screen which you can customize, and you can click on a tab bar and click on customize, and it's going to give you all of the ways and all of the tools, parts of the app which you can pin to the bottom of the Facebook. So in our case, we want to find the marketplace, so we can find a marketplace like this, and we switch it from auto to pin. That means that we're going to actually keep it in our navigation bar, in our tab bar all the time. So once we have it like this, you can see that if I come back to the normal normal Facebook interface, you can see at the bottom we have the home, reels, friends, notifications, and the marketplace is always going to be right there. So that's how you can make sure you always keep it in the tab bar, easily accessible, and you can find it whenever you want. And that's the great part about it. You always have it right there. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.